In today's video, we are taking a look at some of the coolest robots we have ever seen, the DJI RoboMaster, to see just what it can do.
Guys, we've got robots.
We do.
Very, very cool robots. You almost certainly know of DJI as a drone company. They make some great drones, fly around, film stuff. You can get amazing shots with those. Well, they have come out with something new and not entirely unrelated, but definitely not the same thing.
Here's the basic idea. We have two brand new DJI RoboMasters. We're gonna go ahead and test these out, play a few games on them, and explore the newest tech on the market. These are a class unto themselves. These are the DJI RoboMasters, and they are phenomenal. Nate, what is my favorite movie of all time? I know you can do this. It has a robot.
Lord of the Rings.
Help me. Okay, Big Hero 6. I'm gonna help you out there.
Big Hero 6.
Guys, these are like the little, that's the first thing that I thought of when we took we started assembling these remind me of Hero's little battle bots.
They're not the same shape, but the principle is you control fights. You can make them fight each other.
You can.
Not in the same way. They don't
rip
physically tear each other apart.
Off. That'd be mean. No, but these are amazing. I love these things so much, and we've spent the entire morning playing with them.
DJI RoboMaster S1, these are born out of a competition that's been happening for several years in China, making robots to do all these cool things and battle against each other. And DJI now has their complete kit version. You can assemble the whole thing. I've heard varying reports on how long they take together, between 45 minutes and a couple of hours, depending on if you spent a lot of time playing with similar things growing up. They are programmable. In fact, that's one of the main highlights that DJI wants people to know, is that these are educational. Yes, they are one of the single coolest toys I have ever seen, but they are also a learning tool. They've got a lot of stuff you can program in them. You can program them to respond differently, drive in certain ways, respond to specific commands, and just all sorts of interactions with each other. Not only do you get to have a ton of fun playing with them, but you also get to learn how to control them. Very, very cool toy, but more than a toy, because they are also genuinely educational for programming purposes.
These are amazing. We've been using DJI for a long time now for our drones, so now this is the first time we've just had like a robot toy from them, and I'm so excited. Probably one of the coolest features that I like about them is they are omnidirectional, but their wheels don't turn.
Yeah, this kind of wheel with the rollers on it, it's a very cool thing. DJI didn't invent this type of wheel, but the implementation here is great. With the sideways rollers, if you turn the wheels in opposition, it just makes the car move sideways. And that's how it drives. You can just spin around in circles. You can drive sideways at least as fast, maybe faster than you can drive forward.
We weren't expecting it the first time when we turned these on, and this little thing just took off across the studio.
Aimable, gimbaled head. It has multiple firing weapons on it. It's got cameras. You can put it in an SD card, and then it's just you can record everything that you're doing.
It fires not just freaking lasers. It's got freaking lasers on its head. It actually fires little gel beads, and it's really, really awesome. So they're about the size of maybe an airsoft pellet, but they're softer. They don't hurt if you get hit with them. But it is so cool to watch these little robots attacking each other. I shouldn't be that excited about it, but I am.
I think we need to start driving these around and showing them off a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. Hey. Nate? All right, hang on. Where are my gel beads? Come on, buddy. We're going over here. Or we're gonna run into Mark. Sorry, Mark. Run away! Run away bravely!
How are you not dead yet?
You're dead!
I know. That's what I don't get.
Because I'm amazing! Hey! Okay, that killed me. This is the correct chair to be in when racing one of these guys. Hey, buddy. Hey, wait. Yours is going a lot faster than mine now.
Yeah.
That's not fair.
Oh, it's fair.
No. Oh, he's firing from underneath me. I see. Aha!
Did I get you?
You got me. You got me good. No! You know what? I'm just gonna hit you. Get back here! I gotta find me. Where am I? Come back to me. No, I'm running away. It's driving like the person who's controlling it doesn't know what she's doing. because she doesn't. Oh no.
Gotcha.
Right now we're both the same color and it's hard to tell us apart. You can stay
true.
Tron. So you're Tron right now, so I'll be Clue. There we go. Aha! Headshot! Dang it! So we are getting ready to set up a full obstacle course on the basketball pad because we can. We're both gonna choose a team. One of us will have pink and purple, one of us will have the army guys. At a certain point, I'm just gonna start shooting anything I can. Ha! Hit the GoPro, hit the GoPro. You hit something for sure. All right, so Mark, our camera guy, has set up an obstacle course for us. There's sort of a hunt, I guess?
Yeah, we've got a lot of cones, buckets, and then we both have army men, or in my case, pink little unicorns and My Little Pony style horses. They're all about the same size, little plastic targets, and we don't know where they are. They're behind us, and we are going to use just the cameras on our robots and the guns on our robots to try and hunt them down. Am I shooting at army men or unicorn?
You
My Little Pony type. I'll shoot army men.
3, 2, okay, go!
But don't hit the other ones.
Can't stop me, can't stop this. So I'm shooting, what am I shooting? I'm shooting, okay. Aha! Whoops. Well, that one's down. Well, that one's down. You know what? I'm actually not even using the gel beads as much as I am just like...
running into things?
It's wonderful. Hey, don't shoot me. Shoot the, hey! That's cheating!
It is not. I have the ability, therefore it's not cheating.
Fair. I think all mine are down, man. I think I'm down, I'm good.
I don't remember, are you shooting army men or horses?
Horses,
And they're definitely not all down.
Whoops, hit a camera, hit a GoPro. Hey! Hey, where are you? Oh, bye GoPro.
Ow, I took damage running over the ground.
That must be what it is. Dang it. I'm dead, man, I'm dead. All right, you know what? That's it. I'm just coming after you.
Oh, I'm destroyed.
Good, as it should be.
I think she's following you with tracking.
And I'm hitting myself because I can't see. Nah. And I can't touch this.
Stop. Hammer time.
Ow.
To the source.
Wait, are you shooting at me?
No.
Ow!
And while he's distracted. So, yes, you can calibrate the aim, and that is amazing. That helps so much, but I didn't, and Nate did. So, I'm very nervous. They're both behind me, and they both have bullets. The problem is if you can't aim perfectly, and say you're trying to shoot your opponent, not their robot, but the actual source of your problems, you may hit yourself too, and that's what just happened, and it was amazing.
These are like some of the coolest things I've ever
goodness.
played with. I don't even want to say they're toys that I've played with because they're so much more than just
They're not
toys.
toys, they're for educational purposes. Guys, these are phenomenal. Not only are they so much fun, not only can you have battles with friends, just zoom them around, you can program these. It's amazing.
There's a lot of programming stuff built into them that you can do. You can add like special weapons and special button sets and stuff like that, and just, we haven't even had time to get into all of what they can do, but they're amazing just out of the box, and then you can just change them and add stuff onto them to make them even better. The RoboMaster robots, so freaking cool. So much fun to play with and to learn with, and I can't even wait to see what else we can do with these things. Click the link down in the description to learn more, get one of your own. You won't regret it. So cool. Thanks again to DJI for sending us these robots. A ton of fun and very cool. We're gonna find lots of uses for them. Guys, you know, we've always got more for you to see. Click that box up at the top to check out our most recent video, and we will see you in the next one. Talk to you then.